Right, so I were just gonna get rid of this, just bin it, but I thought, probably make a decent video to see actually what's failed inside her. So I thought let's get it stripped down and see what we got. Don't always cut cables, just when I can't bother to get them out of my face, because again on my nerves. Probably going to be easy fit. It's more like a modem, that. Focus. So no, that must have been for the hard drive. No, that's the board out. What's she caught on here? Let's have a look at this. Oh, it's tasty. I don't think it's gone through though. No. See, the problem is, if it focuses, looks like the CMOS area. It's just totally just destroyed, entirely destroyed that. So yeah, it looks like massive overvoltage. It looks of it. Battery. I'm surprised the battery didn't blow up. It's good to show. Yeah, that's why. Basically, it's junk. So, as I was saying, well, I said actually, but anyway, this is the first video like this I've done. If people are interested in watching any more, I have got like, well, what I'll probably do anyway for next week is I've got another 3 older systems up in loft. I've got Big Bertha's actual unit, desktop, and keyboard and mouse to be fair. So what I'm probably going to do is get that down. I don't know if that actually works. I know the monitor does, but I want to see what we can do. Get that, probably get some more RAM in. I'm assuming that's DDR1. I think it's actually an AMD 2500 XP. Get that XP installed on it. Get that Radeon card. I don't know. Well, if there's an AGP slot on it. Run some games. Maybe do some benchmarks. On my main system, what I might do is, if anyone's interested, hook up the CRT to that. Run some modern games on it. See what they run like. That's it. Leave comments below. That way, like, subscribe. Like I said, recommendations. Let me know. I'll see what I can do. I might actually buy some older computer parts just to mess about with. Do a couple of these videos. But yeah, thanks for watching.